have another wig review for you guys. So today's wig review is brought to you by a company called DSoar hair. So they sent me 2 of the 22-inch Brazilian body wave bundles. They sent me 2 of the 24-inch body wave bundles and a 20-inch frontal. So for my wedding, I wore a closure and like really long body wave bundles as well. So this time around, because most of the year, as you guys have probably noticed, I've been doing more frontals than closures. So with this wig, I wanted to kind of mimic that style from my wedding. After I made the wig, I used the hot glue gun method to make this wig. I sewed the frontal on a spandex dome cap, and then I glued the tracks onto the dome cap. So I think I used just about all 4 of the bundles. I probably used 3 of the bundles out of the 4, because with frontals you don't have to use as much hair as you would a closure. So yeah, I think I tried to fit as many bundles into this wig as possible so it could be very full. So I made the wig using the hot glue gun method, and then I decided to wear it as a middle part. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. What I did was I used the Sally Hansen spray tan that I showed you guys back in May, because I didn't want to have to go through the process of bleaching my knots, because I have like a lot of wigs that I have to review. So I sprayed the spray tan on the lace, and then any excess I had still on the lace, I used some tissue and like dabbed the lace to get all the excess off. And as you can see, the parting space looks, well, as you can see, the parting space looks natural. I also enlisted the help of my LA Colors I Love Makeup contour palette, and I went with the shades that were closest to my skin tone, which were these 2 right here. And I put that in the parting space. And to get these beautiful barrel curls, I use this curl wand right here. This comes as a part of a like curl wand kit that I got from Amazon, and if I can find the link to where I purchased it, I'll put it down below. But yeah, so I curled the wig using this curl wand. Every curl that was on, all the hair that was on this side got curled away from my face, and the same with this side, it got curled away from my face. And then I used some clips to hold the curls. So I did not really tweeze the hairline on this wig. I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't tweeze the hairline on this wig because I knew I was gonna wear it as a middle part. And when you wear wigs as a middle part and you're wearing it down, you don't need to be doing, you don't have to do all of that customizing to your hairline. Only thing that I used to like adhere the lace down was just a little bit of got to be glued at the front of the parting space. And I used the black bottle, just like a dot of it. And I put it on top of the lace just so it would lay more flat. I made this wig really big, so the cap is super, super big. I need to start sewing combs like just at the back of my wigs just for that security, because that's really the only combs that I use when I'm wearing wigs, period. So I'm gonna probably start doing that. So I didn't customize the hairline with tweezing and all that because of the middle part. So the hairline is still very full and everything because of that. But if I did decide to do, you know, a style that was out of my face or something like that, I could go back and tweeze it, but I'm probably not gonna do that. As far as shedding goes, when you do the hot glue gun method, a lot of times you will get shedding because you do have to cut the wefts. But honestly, I am barely getting any shedding, even with doing the hot glue gun method. So that's pretty impressive. I didn't have any issues with the frontal. I haven't washed it yet, so if you guys want an update or something like that, just let me know. I love how these curls turned out, and this is what the length looks like on me. I have both of the 24 inches in this wig, so you see how long that is. And then I probably have one of the 22-inch bundles. hair is so glamorous and beautiful. It obviously holds a really good curl. The hair texture is so soft and beautiful. I am really loving the look of this hair. It's so beautiful. And then I did pull a little bit of the hair out of the front of the wig just to have more of a clean part. And I did take some matte black eyeshadow and put it just a little bit around the parting space to close it up and make it a very neat part. I haven't gotten any tangling with this wig, but this is the first time. This is the initial review. So the wave texture is so beautiful and soft, and the luster is very beautiful as well. I am very impressed, and I think this wig looks beautiful and the hair is beautiful. Yeah. If I forgot to mention anything that you would like to know about this hair, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. I want to thank DSoar Hair for sending me this hair to review for you guys. Thank you for being patient. And I want to thank you guys for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.